Came out just this year.
No, I came out in 2018. And, pero kasi I was a church kid growing up eh. So, I grew up a Catholic and a Baptist and then I transferred to Victory. So, nung college ako, I went to Victory. And it was good naman. I mean, I still consider them my spiritual family. Kasi, I mean, di ba, family you don't really forget. And I learned a lot also from them. I learned a lot about God. I learned a lot about faith, about myself. And pero that time kasi, you know, when you're that was I believe in the early 2000s. So we were very legalistic during that time. And nire-repress namin yung sexuality namin. Kasi ang dami sa aming bading. Nung time na yun kasi I was very insecure about myself. I was very insecure about my life, and I thought that being gay was a sin kasi yun yung turo sa amin eh. And dahil doon, alam niyo yung minsan pag kunwari nakita ko ng lalaki na cute, as in mag-guilty talaga ako sa sarili ko kasi parang hala, bakit ganun? Why am I entertaining these thoughts? Tapos syempre mag-pray ako kay God, I will ako sa kanya, iiyak ako sa kanya, literally umiiyak ako sa Pero hindi naman niya ako hinil. I asked him to heal me. He did not heal me. And it got very tiring because when you keep asking God for something and He doesn't give it to you, parang, okay, ano ba to? Mahal mo ba ako? Hindi. Diba? So, tumiwalig ako sa simbahan, umalis ako sa church. Ang the really ironic thing about that was I found God outside of church. I was able to build my faith outside of church. I was able to find real love and what real love and what real unconditional love meant outside of it.
Paano yun?
Kasi nung lumabas ako, nung tumawag ako sa simbahan, nung 2014, nag-start talaga ako mag-explore. Tapos, may mga nakilala akong friends na mga bading rin, ganon. And nakilala ko yung una kong jowa. 6 years kami noon. Eh, yung jowa ko, he'd never had to come out. Kasi yung buong pamilya na, they had the whole set. May dalawa silang bading, may dalawa silang tomboy, may isa silang babaeng straight, may lalaking straight. So, boy, girl, bakla, tomboy, lahat nasa kanila. So, nung nakilala ko yung pamilya niya, I felt really accepted. Parang okay, meron palang ganito. Kasi kahit nag-aaway sila, kasi ganun sila eh, very crass sila, taga-tatalon sila. So very kanal yung humor nila. At na-expose rin ako sa mga tao na, sa mga iba't ibang klase ng bakla. May mga bakla na tahimik lang, may mga bakla na maingay, may mga bakla na aircon yung humor, may mga baklang kanal yung humor, may mga baklang discreet, may mga baklang all out.
Kailan yun?
This was in 2014.
2014. Ilang taon ka lang mo?
Teka lang, magmamath ako Kasi 2026 na. Ngayon 2026, 40 na ako. Ilan taon ako? 1985, 28. Yan, 28 na ako noon.
Bagets.
So,
Uy, 28? Ano?
This was his first relationship.
First official relationship.
Okay.
I had
28.
That was my first official and longest relationship. I had a boyfriend prior to that in 2010.
Okay.
That lasted for 6 months though. Pero nung nakita ko nga yung pamilya ng jowa ko noon, nakaramdam na ako ng pagmamahal. Na parang okay, hindi ko kailangan mag-pretend dito. Ang sad lang noon is during that time kasi 2014 hanggang 2018, hindi pa ako out sa pamilya ko. So pagkasama ko sila, masaya ako. Yung jowa ko, yung pamilya niya, yung mga friends niya, masaya ako. Pag-uwi ako sa bahay, iba na yung itsura ko. Nakasimangot, tahimik, lagi akong galit. So,
kasi hold back ka.
ayan, parang alam mo yung hindi mo
Hindi
kayang
siya malabas.
Yes, hindi mo kayang mailabas yung tunay na ikaw. Ang funny doon is, during that time, kasi I was already working in Habitat, I already had a boyfriend, and during that time, my mom was already exposed to to gay people. Marami siyang ahente na bakla. At yung mga ahente nang yun, kaibigan rin pala ako. So, napapansin ko yung mga post ni Mami, yung mga pahapyaw na post ni Mami sa Facebook na, love your children even if they're gay. Yung mga ganon.
So parang alam na ni
Dogs
mother.
Oo.
Siyempre,
Parang,
mother
siyempre, mother instinct eh. Parang, isip ko, okay, alam ba ng nanay ko? Pero hindi ko masabi sa kanya eh. Natakot ako. Dinadala ko nun yung jowa ko sa bahay.
Ang
Pero
pakilala mo,
ang pakilala,
friend.
medyo tanga ako dito eh. Kasi yung jowa ko, pastry chef. Pareho kami nag-volleyball. Ako, hindi naman ako pastry chef. May isang beses, sobrang naratel ako. Sabi ni Mami, oh, sino to? Nung umalis yung jowa ko, sabi niya, sino yun? Sabi ko, office mate. Tanga. Medyo tanga ako doon kasi office mate pastry chef. Paano nangyari yun? So, she didn't, hindi naman niya pinush. There was a time also I brought my boyfriend home then, and my dad was there. And I think I kinuwento ko to dun sa interview, how my dad was a huge homophobe before, and then now he's my biggest ally. Back then, it was really bad, as in sobra yung namin. Yung, really, ibang-iba yung relationship namin kaysa sa ngayon. Kasi one time dinala ko yung jowa ko sa bahay. Tapos, dumating yung tatay ko. Sabi niya, nagpaalam ako kasi may liga kami the next day. So sabi ko, dito matutulog yung boyfriend ko, gano'n. Sabi ko, sinabi boyfriend ko. Sabi niya, bakit? Bakit siya dito matutulog? Nandun yung jowa ko sa tabi ko. Bakit di siya matutulog? May kapatid kang babae. Hindi ko kilala yan. Sabi ko, bakit gano'n? Bakit yung mga kaibigan ng mga kapatid ko pinapatulog mo dito? Bakit sa akin hindi? Sabi ko, bakit dad? Anong problema? I knew already then what he was trying to say. That no, I don't want your boyfriend here. He already knew I knew it. We had a huge fight then. And syempre, my boyfriend and I left the house. Kasi nung time na yon, hindi kami doon tulog. Syempre doon ako nakatira pa. Kasi natatakot na rin siya. Narinig niya kami. Ang humabol sa akin nun yung kapatid kong lalaki. He was my first ally in the family. Kasi nakita nga niya ako, galit na, umiyak na ako. Tapos sabi niya, kuya, please, balik ka na. Sorry ka na kay dad. Sabi ko, how would you feel if it was your girlfriend that daddy said na bawal dito? How would you feel about that? Sabi ko, because this isn't my friend, this is my boyfriend. This is him, I'm gay. Sabi niya,
Alam niya ba yun? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Doon ko pala
Sinabi
sinabi.
mo na sa brother mo.
Sabi ko sa kanya, I'm gay. I'm gay. Sabi niya, I don't care, kuya. I don't care. I just need you to calm down and come back. Ganon. Sabi ko, I will come back soon. I'll come back maybe after the weekend. Pero don't expect me to talk to daddy after. Ganon. Eventually, medyo naging okay naman. Alam mo yung hindi na namin pinag-uusapan.